welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. Going to be using a straight razor today, but first off let's start with soap. And it is Captain Fawcett's shaving soap. Nice and shiny. Now it comes in a wooden tub. These are terrible. If you get the new one with a metal sticker on it, that's great, but these ones actually, the sticker peels off after a while. It's pretty shit. They did send me a replacement lid, but that didn't really help much either. Now the soap itself is a very natural scented soap. It's not it's like a herbal type scent. And it does smell quite nice. I'm just trying to rinse out the residue. I've already loaded my brush. Let's fill the sink up. So let's start blackening. This is a no prep sort of cool water shave, not a cold water shave, because I don't have any cold water in Western Australia. We are 3 days into, this is day 4 of a hard lockdown. For those of you in the world that don't know quite what's going on in Western Australia, we have of course been very, very good. We've had 10 plus months of zero transmissions in the community. However, this weekend just gone, we had a security guard at one of the quarantine hotels test positive for the UK strand, or whatever it is, this sort of more aggressive or easier to catch, more infectious variant. So we were put straight into a 5-day hard lockdown. However, during those 5 days so far, this is day 4, we have had 0 new cases, which is fantastic. Long may it continue. So that's literally how it works over here. That is how good our government is in Western Australia. Mr McGowan, our main man, is very, very quick with this sort of stuff and gets stuck in. It doesn't piss about. The Premier of Western Australia does in my opinion, I'm not big into politics, but does a fantastic job in my opinion. Razor Rock Hulk, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to paint some more in. So I'm back in at work tonight, so I need to have my shave now. Well, this afternoon I'm back in at work. I need to go and do a little bit of shopping. We're still able to go shopping, we've got to wear a mask at the moment. It's the first time in Western Australia that it's been mandatory to wear masks. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes. I know in public transport it's difficult for us because we have to stop people, or people aren't allowed to travel on the transport system without wearing a mask. Whether you believe in it or not, doesn't matter. Right, so the razor was one that was honed by Srdjan Danicic over at Rhodium Knots. It's a gold $66. Oh no, it wasn't. This one wasn't. This was honed by, yeah, what am I thinking? This one was honed by, oh that's terrible, can't remember your name, I'm really sorry. It wasn't Srdjan. It was a Danish gentleman, I can't remember his bloody name. Is it Johan? Not Johan, can't remember. Shit, terrible memory. You know who you are. Anyway, here we go. I haven't used a straight razor in ages, by the way, so this could get messy. The reason I'm using one today tell you what, no, I'm not using that. Holy shit. What was going on with that? That's weird. Let me just try this one. This is the one that Srdjan did. I just want to see if it feels any different. No, I ain't using any of them. Holy shit. It feels like my beard's made out of steel. Okay, carpets. Sorry guys, I don't know what was going on there with that. That just felt very, very uncomfortable. I've got the car with the A-plate. This is 3 days growth with the A-plate. With a 4th or 5th use super stainless spoiler. I mean that first pass actually there, it's really smooth. It did a great job. It just felt just a little bit really tuggy on the lip. Get the old coffee on the go. Right, first pass with the car, fantastic. With the straight razor, it would have been horrendous. You just have to, possibly, I think the thing with the straight razor is, and obviously you see it happening all the time in barbers, is they do tend to do a bit of face prep, maybe even a shower, hot shower with some hot water in the face just to soften up the beard. I think it really does assist. Making a straight razor shave more comfortable. Right, to footballing news, as you can see, and you've probably seen as I walked away, I do have my Manchester United shirt on today. I got up this morning. I was going to get up and actually watch the game at 4 AM, but we played Southampton this morning, and albeit they had a player sent off like less than a minute and a half into the game, but we won 9-0. It's been a long, long time since I've seen scores like that from Manchester United. I'm not going to get carried away. Right. All over the place today. I've got 3 days off work coming Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so hopefully that should be the day. Oh, that should be the time that I'm finally making my giveaway video. I've noticed Chris over at IMCDB's done 5,000 giveaways already. And I'm nearly at 6,000 and I still haven't done a bloody giveaway. The stuff is there. I just need to do it. This is just an amazing brush to use. Yes, it's massive. Let's say I use this on my wife's legs normally. But it does a fantastic job. And here we go. There we go. Well, after that first couple of strokes with the straight razor, I wasn't expecting that kind of shave, to be honest. I've ended up with a cracker. I'm pretty sure I'm blood free. Nothing at all. And pretty much BBS under there, BBS around the lips. Fantastic, can't really grumble at that, can I? So that was Captain Fawcett's shaving soap. It's a very good quality soap, you know, it's pretty expensive, it's not the cheapest of soaps, there are better artisan options out there, but for a very hard triple milled soap that's going to last a long time, it comes in a nice wooden tub. Normally comes now with a sort of metal, instead of a plastic sticker on there, it's metal. It's very, very nice, it smells great I think, and it works tremendously well. Like I say, it is a little bit drying on the skin, but so far it feels okay. Yeah, I mean my head, I did use it on my head, and my head does feel a little bit, in fact I can see it's starting to flake a little bit on my head, so let's just get a bit of moisture on the hands. I'm just going to wipe a bit of moisture all over it, and get the Codex, one squirt for the face, and one squirt for the head. That's pretty much the size of a squirt of stuff. Fantastic. The brush of choice for today was the Hulk from RazoRock. It's an absolute monster. Far, far better, I think, than a synthetic. If you had this in a badger knot this size, it would just be just eat so much lather. But this doesn't. It creates and creates and creates and creates. I mean, that's not all the lather out of the brush, but you can see how much it does generate. The razor in the end was the carved Christopher Bradley razor in stainless steel with the A plate for 3 days growth and a 5th use, I think, Gillette Super Stainless, the spoiler. I'm finished off today with Corex Beauty Skin Superfood, which is starting to run out quite quickly, but that's lasted a very, very long time, this Skin Superfood. My wife does use it as well, so it's certainly, in my opinion, worth investing in. It's a very, very good product. It does, I mean, that's absorbed already. It does really nourish the skin. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed the shave. It's a quick one. Don't have very many shaves under 20 minutes, that's for sure. Stay safe, dry safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.